Hello everyone, this is James, and today's video guys I will teach you in how you're going to um, re-upload video from YouTube without copyright strike in your channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to your browser. If you use Firefox, just open it. So I'm going to use Firefox. Okay, so here, so for example guys, as you can see in my channel, let's see if my video has copyright strike or copyright claim. Okay, so let's see guys if my videos has copyright strike. Alright, so as you can see, there is none copyright strike claim in my videos. So this is a movie that I copied or download in YouTube. Alright, so all you need to do, okay, just go. If you guys want to download from YouTube, okay, YouTube, alright, you're going to search. Okay, for example, I'm going to okay, full movie. Okay, here. Okay, so there's a movies. Then in the upper right, on the left hand corner guys, here, okay, select Creative Commons. Alright, so there's a lots of creative videos here that you can download it. Alright, so for example here, okay, this video, so if for example guys, you're going to download this video, just copy the link on it. Okay, just copy and go to alright, search this site, save from net, and for example I'm going to paste, just paste it, then download. Okay, so as you can see guys, you can download it, and for example you're going to download. Alright, okay, just download. Alright, so as you can see here, it's automatically transferred to your device. Alright, so after download it, you can now re-upload the video, but don't forget to put your intro and outro so that the YouTube will not get copyrights on your videos. Okay, so let's go back to my account guys. Alright, so here, so as you can see here, alright, there's none restrictions of my videos. Okay, so but here's the thing guys, the important thing that you need to know for uploading videos from YouTube without copyright strike. Okay, so you're going to, alright, so go to your settings. Okay, show more. Okay, as you can see, alright, so don't forget to put some tags on your videos. Okay, so under license and distribution, there's two options: standard YouTube license and Creative Commons. So you need to choose Creative Commons so that there is none copyright strike on your videos. Okay, so if you get it guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.